How to make a YouTube channel using only AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share our exciting journey of creating a faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. If you've ever wanted to start your own YouTube channel without showing your face, then this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Niche and Content Strategy. First, we started by selecting our niche and developing a content strategy. We chose a topic we were passionate about and knew would resonate with our audience. For us, it was tech reviews and tutorials. Step 2. AI voice generation. Next, we needed an AI-generated voice for our videos. We used an AI text-to-speech tool like OpenAI's GPT or Amazon Polly to generate realistic and engaging voiceovers. With these tools, you can choose from a variety of voices and even adjust the tone and speaking rate. Step 3. AI script writing. Now, it's time for script writing. We used AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT to generate video scripts based on the topics we wanted to cover. We would input the topic, and the AI would produce a well-structured, informative, and engaging script. Step 4. AI video creation. For video creation, we turned to AI-powered video editing tools like Pictory.ai, Lumen 5 or InVideo. These tools can automatically generate videos using stock footage, images, and text animations based on your script. You can also customize the look and feel of your video with various templates and styles. Step 5. AI-generated thumbnails. A captivating thumbnail is crucial for attracting viewers. We used AI thumbnail generators like Thumbnail Blaster or Runway ML to create eye-catching thumbnails for our videos. These tools use machine learning algorithms to analyze your video's content and suggest thumbnail designs that are likely to perform well. Step 6. AI-driven SEO and keyword research. To optimize our videos for YouTube search, we used AI-driven SEO and keyword research tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools analyze your niche, suggest relevant keywords, and provide insights on how to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better rankings. Step 7. Consistency and promotion. Finally, we maintained a consistent upload schedule and promoted our videos on social media platforms to increase our reach. This helped us grow our faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. And there you have it. That's how we created a successful faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. These methods can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next video.